HTX Home Team. It's HTX Home Team.
Hi, it's Ashley Esparza of the HTX Home Team, coming to you today from this beautiful two-story Perry home, newly constructed in the Tavola subdivision. I'd love to take you all on a tour of this home just so you can see how gorgeous it is. But to give you a breakdown, it has this lovely spiraled staircase, as well as a downstairs study, 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, a media room, a game room, as well as a covered patio on a premium lot with no back neighbors. So that in itself should make you want to come out here and take a look at this property. Also, I want to let you all know that we here at the HTX Home Team, we've got all your bases covered. So that means that we focus on service first over sales. And we always put our clients first, no matter what the transaction. So we love our first-time home buyers, but just as much as we love our first-time home buyers, we love repeat service and being able to upgrade you to your forever home. So if you or someone you know is looking for a home, give us a call today. We are the HTX Home Team, and you can follow us on social media at HTX Home Team or email us at info@htxhometeam. You guys have a great afternoon and stay blessed.
Home Team. It's HTX Home Team. Let us walk you through making your dreams come true. Making your dreams come true. Let us walk you through making your dreams come true. Making your dreams come true. It's HTX Home Team. Let us walk you through making your dreams come true. Making your dreams come true. It's HTX Home Team.